Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete your RoboForex account. And it's quite simple, because if you want to delete your trading account, you need to deposit all the money from your trading account, and then you need to wait for a time, and then after that they will remove your account. The other way what you can do is go to help, and then from here go to add a ticket. And then from here, select the category, let's say a general question. And then from now, the priority is high. Subject is removing accounts. And then between right here, everything. Select the account number, doesn't matter for now. And then we can ask, how can I delete my complete account on RoboForex? Then we can also choose a file, but that's not necessary. Then we do that send. What is it saying? Oh no, then we do normal. Let's do send. And then right now we created a ticket and send them how we can delete our account. So now we need to wait until someone responds, and then after that they will delete the account for you. So this is how you can delete your RoboForex account. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.